What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to take a look at a VR stand that you can use for your VR headsets, your gear, headphones. This is going to be really compatible with the Meta Quest 2 or the Meta Quest 3. So let's go ahead and get this open so we can see the way it looks. All right, so once you open this up, you're going to get your user manual. It shows you how to put this stand together because we do have a bunch of pieces right here. So we're going to go ahead and put this together so we can see the way the MetaQuest looks on here. And we have this tray that the headset fits on with these supports. They're labeled left and right, so we're going to go ahead and put those on the right sides. Next, we're going to slide the headset tray onto the stand. That just snaps right in. You also have this USB-C cable. This is going to be to charge your headset. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and attach the base. So this is just going to lock and turn into place. And then you have this headphone holder right here that you're going to put together like so. You just match up the slots on the hose, slide that on, and then you can put this on top. And once you have that in, pretty much all set. Now we can take our controllers. This is going to be for the MetaQuest 3. They just sit right in the spots. And then we can take our headset. And since I have this, extra support on here, let's see how well that works out. And it just fits right on top with no problem. You can see with the extra support that I have on the MetaQuest headset that still hooks on to the headset rest here on the back, and then the MetaQuest itself rests on the headset tray, and there is a non-slip pad here so it stays secure. So this actually works really well. And when you get a closer look on the back, you can see this is where you're going to plug in your USB port, and then you'll take this cable and you'll plug it into your MetaQuest headset. So this way you'll be able to charge your headset and it'll be on the stand just like that. So guys, this is going to be the VR stand for your VR headset, whether it's going to be the MetaQuest 2, MetaQuest 3, or another brand of headset. This should support it with no problem. This is going to give you a lot cleaner look, a more organized look for your VR headset, and also it's going to help support it so it looks good and it helps keep your space really clean. So guys, once again, this is the VR headset stand. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one.